I am so excited. I am too excited. Fruitful Trees is one of the organizers of the 2025 Florida Mango Festival, and we are exactly 1 week away. 1 week away from the Florida Mango Festival, June 29th, Sunday in West Palm Beach, Florida. Good news, tickets are still available. More good news. Mango season is amazing. The best mango season so far. So many amazing mangoes. And we didn't have a lot of rain this year. So I've been doing mango tastings at my house. And like everything is tasting amazing because there's no rain to wash stuff out. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to be doing some more videos in my yard of all the different mangoes I'm growing and talk about these different trees because there's some varieties I found this year that are better than ever, and you'll get to taste them if you go to the Mango Festival. They're going to have over 200 different varieties, maybe even more, of mangoes on display for you to see and possibly taste. You can certainly buy from all the vendors there. We're going to have over 80 different vendors selling mangoes and mango trees and mango cakes and cookies and candies and teas and all of those great things. I'm going to have my shirts, Fruitful Trees, keep growing. I'll have my hats. But it's going to be a great event, folks. And if you don't know about it, you should, because I've been talking about it for a long time here on this channel. But it is happening. It is starting. 1 week away. The countdown is on. It's going to be great. You can still get tickets. Tickets are still available. There's going to be so many vendors with mangoes. You will not miss out on tasting a bunch of different varieties of mangoes when you're there, without a doubt. And you're also going to hear some amazing speakers, amazing lectures. And I'm going to be speaking there with my friend John from Growing Your Greens, a very successful YouTube channel. And him and I will be giving a talk about store-bought mangoes versus mangoes that were growing on our trees. We're going to be comparing them. We're going to look at a bricks meter and learn how to use that. It's going to be an amazing time. And I have all these amazing mangoes as well here, so you can taste these. And I got some other surprises that I'll be announcing coming up. But I'll have my shirts and hats. And I might have some mangoes. I don't know. We'll see. So it's going to be great. I'm just surrounded. I never imagined that I would have this many varieties of mangoes that you all get to. Even Pickering's good this year. Everything's great this year. It's so abundant, and I'm glad we're going to be able to share it with everybody at the Florida Mango Festival. Some of the speakers that are going to be there, of course, Alex from Tropical Acres Farms, Chris from Truly Tropical. I've learned so much from both of them over the years. And we're going to have Jonathan Crane. I've interviewed him many times. I'm going to meet Jeff Wokowski, who's going to be speaking there. I haven't met him yet, so I'm looking forward to that. And Julian Laura from Laura Funds Miami is going to be there doing an amazing class on grafting mangoes. So that's going to be really special as well. I'm always excited to hang out with Julian. Tom from Sleepy Lizard Avocado is going to be walking around there and hanging around, so we'll get to see him, and it's going to be wonderful to hang out with him. And so many other people. Vince from Backyard Mangoes, he's going to be there as well. He's one of the organizers with me, Alex and Chris. It's going to be an exciting time, and I'm going to put the link below, the website, so you can buy tickets still, as they're still available. And I'm going to be busy. I'm going to be busy in the tastings. I'm going to be busy, but I'd love to meet you. So please find me and say hello. If I'm not at my at my table, I'll have the shirts and everything. But if I'm not there, find me and say hello, because I love to know who's watching my videos and to say hi to you. So 1 week away, Florida Mango Festival 2025, West Palm Beach, Florida. Exciting. Everybody, we'll see you there, and keep growing.